Hello, this is Mac from Radionode team. I am going to introduce how to use the dashboard. The dashboard is mainly used when showing on a large display device, or when checking the current value in a mobile. After completing the dashboard setting, you can use it as a status board as you can see in the picture. You can also monitor the site in real time by connecting to a mobile device from your office. So, would you like to set up the dashboard with me? Once you log in, you can see various dashboard features on the first screen. Click the Add Widget button in the upper right corner to bring up the widget creation screen. Enter a widget name and select the desired type from among Number Widget, Text Widget, Usage Amount Widget, Operation Time Widget, and Deviation Time Widget. First of all, this time I'll do it with the Number Widget. In the below, you will find channels that have already been registered. Among these, select the channel you want to display on the dashboard. You can select one channel or multiple channels you want to watch together. When you press the Save button, a Number Widget has been added that shows the sensor values directly on the dashboard, right? This time, let's set up a different kind of widget. Click Add Widget and click Text Widget for the widget type. Select the desired channel, adjust the section value you want to set, and write a status message for each section. You can also set the color of the text you want by clicking the Setup button on the right. When you have entered everything, click Save. Unlike the Number Widget, the sensor value is displayed as text instead of a number, right? This text widget lets you know the risk level right away, so you don't have to memorize which risk level this number belongs to. Therefore, managers and executives can immediately know the status of the site. Back to Add Widget. This time we will add Usage Amount Widget. Click Usage Amount Widget and select the desired channel. If you select either Today Usage or This Month Usage and click Show Yesterday or Show Last Month that appears below, you can see today's usage and yesterday's usage, or this month's usage and last month's usage can be checked at a glance. Now, when you click Save, you can check the real-time data on usage while comparing it with the past data. Next, let's set up the Operation Time widget. The Operation Time widget shows the total amount of time the data came within the range of operation. Click the Add Widget button and set the widget name. Set the desired range of operation and click on 1 EO gas channel. And if you click Save after clicking This Month Usage, you will see how long data corresponding to 0 to 10 were detected in this channel this month. It can be used to express not only the gas exposure time, but also amount of wastewater discharged today and amount of carbon dioxide emitted this month. Let's move on to the Deviation Time widget. Enter the widget name and select a channel. Also, after clicking on this month's usage, I'll also click on Show Last Month and set the normal range. Now, this month's deviant time and last month's deviant time come together, right? Through this, it is possible to monitor the time exceeding the appropriate temperature or the cumulative monthly door opening time in the access control area. Let's use the Deviation Time widget to monitor how thoroughly our assets are being managed. These added widgets can be moved to the desired location by dragging them. When more widgets are created, you can view monitoring in the same place or group similar monitoring types through the Move function. You can check these widgets even when you log in with your mobile phone screen. Let's go to the dashboard settings. If you turn on Change the color of the widget when an alarm is detected, when the value is out of the specified value, you can hear and see that the dashboard sounds an alarm and the screen turns red. Click Dashboard Settings again. Here you can enter a full screen title and a full screen logo image. Let's change the full screen title. And you can change the logo. Shall we click Save and Full Screen? You can see the name and logo image of the dashboard appear like this. You can enter the name and logo of the dashboard you want and use it as you like. If you go back to the main dashboard screen, do you see the bell-shaped button on the widget? Click to set the Quick Report function. The Quick Report function periodically reports the current value to the manager, even if there is no deviation. Let's click Report Time and select the recipients. Since you can receive an alarm about the data value at any time you want, more thorough monitoring is possible, right? Let's move the mouse over the data part that is displayed in the widget. It shows the channel name, last update time, battery status, network communication status, and so on. When the connection is lost, the data is grayed out, and in the event of deviation, the data is shown in red or another color. And through the icon at the bottom, you can find out whether the power supply is using power or the battery by plugging in the adapter, and you can see immediately whether you are using Wi-Fi or Ethernet communication, as well as the communication method. Finally, by clicking Dashboard Settings, you can change the dashboard update cycle to the desired period. I'll set it to 30 seconds and save it. Now you're done creating the dashboard at a glance. You can monitor all of your assets with the latest information that's updated every 30 seconds. Everyone, did you finish setting up the dashboard? It's very easy, right? Now, regardless of where you measure it or what you measure, you can sit comfortably and check the site on your PC or cell phone. If there is a function that you want to add to the widget, please let me know in the comments. Next time, I'll introduce you to various ways of looking up data and using the Data View function. See you next time. Thank you.